Welcome back to my channel again. Thanks for your love and support for my recent video. I'm going to create this fresh makeup look with the help of Maybelline New York's items. Yes, I really love Maybelline New York from big I'm starting makeup. So initially I wanna say I don't have moisturizer from Maybelline. So firstly I did prep my skin with moisturizer with another one. I don't have any brocket from Maybelline as well, so I will be using another brands which I'm having. Let's get started with the video. This is really good video if you are in hurry or if you want to make a good and fresh look for your daily routine, or you're going for a job or something like that. This will be really helpful for you. And let's get started. It looks like it's really time consuming look, but it's not. When you watch the video you will learn that how quickly I'm doing this makeup look. So yeah, let's do. just love these two products. This is really good for highlighter and this is for cheek tint, and you can use it for our lips as well, and eyeshadow. I'm using it for everything, and this is really pocket friendly. If you want to carry it, you can. In Maybelline you will get few other colors in this one also, but I like the burgundy one. And yeah, these are my lovely items from Maybelline. If I talk about the favorite items, there are a few items. I love this mascara. This is really good mascara. You don't need to wear any fake eyelashes if you are using Maybelline Sensational one. This is so good. If I can show you its brush, this is so good, and it keeps you, it's a waterproof as well. And if you're doing makeup in summers, it's really good. It will never go anywhere when you wear this one. And the second thing which I really like about Maybelline is this lip balm. This gives really hydration to your lips, and little pink shade. The least is concealer from Maybelline, which is Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles one, and this comes with the little move it like this way. The product comes in the puff, and you can just apply it to your affected areas. And this is also really good one. I've used that much, and I will borrow another one. And I just love this concealer. I don't like any other concealer, I don't know why. And yeah, so these are the items which I really like from Maybelline. So much for your love and support for my recent videos. I'm trying to make new good content for you, and if you find anything wrong in my video, if you find I'm doing something wrong in somewhere, please let me know in the comment section so I can improve in the next video, because I'm not professional. I'm just trying to do my best. I'm just learning and I'm just shooting that. I don't know how to do that, but yeah, according to my knowledge, I am giving you tips that how I can create my if you want the detail of these items, I will provide in the description box. Check that, and you can buy it from these items are easily available in drugstores and makeup stores. So you can buy items from Amazon also. So yeah, thank you so much for your video. Bye bye.